It's Jason here at House of Health.
It's Chakra.
And Taylor.
All right, so we're going to try some more herbs today. What are we trying, Taylor?
We are trying wild yam root.
Wild yam. What's it do?
Well, for one, it may be good for
Hormone balancing? Is it good for?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, hormone balancing. Okay. Is it better to rub it on or drink a tea?
probably drink a tea.
Okay. Yeah, you could make a cream out of it. And we sell progesterone creams that are made out of wild yam. So yeah, y'all ready to try it?
Yeah, let's
All right,
go.
see what it tastes like. Wow. Whoa.
You can't chew it.
I think I'm gonna break my teeth.
I know.
That's what you want to swallow it?
I don't think I can do it.
It was too hard.
It reminds me of oat.
We're gonna pause the video for a short commercial break before we spit this out. All right, we're back from spitting that one out because he couldn't chew it. So I had a customer I was researching, and customer told me I had bad breath. So we're gonna try some. What are we trying, Chakra?
Cardamom pods.
Cardamom pods. Okay, what are they good for?
They're good for blood sugar, some say. Also, bad breath.
Okay. Well, let's see how it works.
Okay. Has like a sweet.
What do you think, Lori?
Bitter.
Yeah. It's easier to eat than the wild yam.
Mm-hmm.
It's like.
It's mentholy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's hitting me now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, I see why it says it's good for good breath.
Mm-hmm. No, that's not too bad. I can eat one of these. So it fights cancer, and good for blood pressure, and it's a really good. It's a diuretic, so it flushes the kidneys. That's why it's good for blood pressure. I guess I could eat one of these a
Like a
day.
natural mint.
The shell's kind of hard to chew up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, thanks for watching as we try these fun, amazing herbs.